Get a feel for the 2022 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.